gila, I'm crazy. But trust me, man, this is really good. Good stuff.
This soup, do you like this soup, right?
I love the soup. The soup is very healthy, yeah.
Yeah. And which one the best one? Bakso soup or this soup?
Bakso soup. 6 a.m. in the morning to Victoria, on the bus to the coach station to Birmingham. In the morning, London may look like it's a sleeping city, but trust me, London is always awake. Off the bus, walking a short distance to Victoria Coach Station to capture the moving things, the spectacular things all around me. It's not too cold, honestly, you won't believe it. I nearly got into a fight this morning, so I was recording myself and the guy behind me, and he was screaming, "Don't record." And I was like, okay, you know what, I think apparently he got a learning disability, so I can't hug him. I think that is the saga here in the UK, so a vast majority of people do not like to be recorded, and I totally get it. Anyways, I'll try to make the video fun. Let's go to Birmingham, shall we? 4.25p meal deal. Previously it was just £3, but now let me tell you, London is one, effing expensive place. If I can be honest, I don't like to go to the airport, I don't like coming to the station, but when I do, you know what, there's no option, I just have to. 8 a.m. coach to Birmingham, take about 3 hours just to get there. It's really the first time going to the UK's second largest city. I can't wait, honestly I can't wait. And I'm meeting up with, an Indonesian YouTuber, and she's quite good in what she does, right? She's mainly focused on food, getting the British people to try Indonesian food. Do you know, my channel is not just about Indonesia, it's about different countries, different culture. As of late, let's face it, right? I enjoy Indonesian food very, very much. Hence why I'm making my way there. Last time I took the coach anywhere within the UK, it was back in 2018, my final year at Yuni. Destination, Birmingham.
Across the UK, you will always find the best deals by booking directly with us online at nationalexpress.com.
I'm an incomplete piece, unpredictable creature, but my creature of food never fade away. I'm a filmmaker, not just about, food, but, traveling around the world. And I listen to your comments saying collaborate with, YuniLeisure. Yeah, I'm making my way there now to Birmingham. Just over 3 hours from London, arrive in the UK's second largest city of Birmingham. What do you know about Birmingham? For me, not much. Other than maybe it was an industrial city and full of stunning architecture and of course diverse mix of people from all cultural background. And look nowhere and just take a walk inside the market and you will see a blend of culture, people trading and yeah, I'm impressed at the first glance. Someone said they love my jacket. Are they trying to steal it? I don't think so, but the guy was so genuine, was so nice and outspoken about that. And you know what? Thank you. Oh, you know what? I appreciate my jacket now. But anyways, I'm here in the city centre, trying to head into the mall. And I tell you what, based on the thing I've seen so far, I think I kind of like it. It's a good start. It's in the morning. The energy is not quite there yet, but I tell you what, it's a multifarious place. Walk through that little market, they're selling Indian food and local British market. Yeah, do you know what, there's some fruit. What else do you want? What else do you need? What a great start so far. I'm in a good spirit. Bullring shopping centre is probably one of the largest shopping centres in the West Midlands, maybe in the UK. I'm a tourist in Birmingham, and I tell you what, I'm still in the UK. I feel like I'm a tourist in the UK. I'm in Birmingham for the first time ever. Of course, you have that behind me, the Bull. Apparently, there are strikes. So far, there are strikes across the UK. And yeah, no bus, so I'm walking to YuniLeisure. So the thing is, I have to say, infrastructure-wise, moving around, despite their strikes going on right now, I must say, Birmingham do have, in the city centre, I'll say, do have a very well designed infrastructure. Public transportation, yeah, I'm walking to my destination to meet Yuni, and yeah, it's clean. It's actually clean, not bad. I was expecting the worst. Maybe I need to venture out of the city centre, and maybe I might see something. Maybe some Birmingham people might not want me to film, isn't it? But anyways, so far, I kind of like this architecture.
I look the other way. I don't see how it's got anything.
It's all clear to me, Birmingham is a slow-paced city compared to their, crazy London pace. Anyways, I made my way to YuniLeisure. You want to know the worst nightmare for a filmmaker? Is losing your footage or corrupt file, and both has happened to me. So this is what I'll get. They said the file contains some media that ain't compatible with QuickTime Player, so yeah, that is a massive problem right now. And all the file I was able to salvage are the ones when I switch it back to C2. Close-up shot of YuniLeisure, gone. Established shot of the food, gone. She cooking all this food, gone. Footage of all the things I've shot on my camera on my side, gone. 95% of the footage I shot at YuniLeisure place, all gone and corrupt. So it's incredibly hard, so hard to tell the story that I want to tell. But for now, I can only salvage these clips, this angle, and of course the kind generosity, contribution from YuniLeisure to offer me some of her file is highly appreciated.
And, is this pisang?
No,
what's this?
It's not pisang.
Yeah.
This is tempe.
Oh, tempe.
Tempe goreng tepung or mendoan we call.
Right.
This is tofu.
Tofu.
For the side dish.
Okay.
That's it. That is the main one.
Okay, that's the main one.
And then you can eat with the sambal to
Right.
make spicy and kick, and with the cracker. Dan teman-temannya di sini. Nah, saya seperti biasa saya tidak ikut makan. I said to my fans, I'm not eat with you because today is a special guest. You want to review my food. Okay, are you ready, Sheku?
I am ready. Finger crossed. If it's not, yeah, I'll be devastated. You know what I mean? Like going back to London. Do you know what I mean? So, that is absolutely sublime. Do you know what I mean? It's not what I like about it, right? It's very, very soft. Of course it's been marinated, I'm pretty sure, so silently. So when you swallow that, it's a swallow of satisfaction, surely. It's really good. Let's spice it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna cry. Do you know what I mean? I'm actually gonna cry. But the thing is, I've got a cracker. Is this a spring cracker? Let's try the cracker first a little bit. Always. If you go to Indonesia, you never try a cracker. I swear to God, I don't understand who you are.
Put in here. Do you like spicy?
I do like spicy.
And then mix it, and drink the water with
a spoon.
Yes.
Okay.
You can drinking with your bowl also, just.
Yeah.
Yes.
More dramatic.
Yes, more dramatic.
Are you ready for this? Right. I think this could be easily the thumbnail. Woo.
Be careful, hot.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. This right here, whew, there's a lot happening. Do you know what I mean? You got ginger, you got garlic, I suppose, and you got chili, you got lime, you got like beef, you got, whew, it's like a medicine. Love that. So, what is this?
Tofu.
Tofu. I'm not really a massive fan of tofu.
Are you sure?
No,
Dry.
Yeah.
Yes. And because tofu is a plant taste, you can don't dip it in the dust, right?
Okay,
yeah.
let's see. Let's dip
And
it in
if
there.
you want to more the soup, more like
Lime?
you can
Just squeeze it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll squeeze it. I made a mistake. It's fine.
It's
you
fine.
know, it's fine. Everyone make mistakes. No one is perfect, isn't it? So you put the lime, more lime,
Yeah.
and then now give it a little bit of shake. Oh, shake it. Oh wow. This is what I got here, and it's a nice, beautiful stuff right here. You bring two ideas together. You're trading culture, and it's absolutely sublime. And I'm eating YuniLeisure food, like you recommended, surely. Yeah, YuniLeisure, you want to come into the frame, please? Yeah, Yuni. Yeah, get the frame. Yeah, you can be on here. It's totally fine.
Okay.
So you see, it's not like she's here. Do you know what I mean? Basically, I'm not just making it up.
So I just surprised him today with the different food.
Right.
He never tried he never tried this food before.
Never.
So, what do you think?
I love it. Like you got crackers there, and then you got like tofu tempeh. See, this is the tofu bit. And the tofu, the one thing I like about the tofu, right? So when you put the chili there, oh, it's actually amazing. Do you know what I mean? So put the chili there. Yes, I've got crazies in there right now.
Oh.
It's so spicy, but gila, I'm crazy. But trust me, man, this is really good. Good
So
stuff.
this soup, do you like this soup, right?
I love the soup. The soup is very healthy. Yeah.
Yeah. And which one the best one? Bakso soup or this soup?
Bakso soup.
Still bakso.
I love bakso.
Okay, then. But look at the beef is very
tender.
Very tender.
No, very like it actually breaks. You don't understand? It does breaks, man. This is so good. Oh my god, you don't understand. This is really good. Look at that. It's absolutely fantastic food here, man. Now trust me, man. The food is really amazing. He stole the tofu. He actually loved the tofu. Actually crazy. Oh man, thank you so much. Very happy. This was tempeh, yeah?
Yes. Have you tried tempeh?
I've tried tempeh. I street food sometime. It's been a while. Let's try this one.
It's nice tempeh with the spicy also, with sambal.
That's true. That's true. That's a good shout.
That's
a
right.
very good shout.
Now don't worry, all is for you. That is reward from your travel from London to Birmingham.
Yeah, it's true. It's like it took like 3 hours just to get here. Go crazy right now. Should I dance?
In Ramadan, I lock my door.
Well,
nobody coming
nobody coming.
because I don't want to cook in the morning, during the day. If I cook
Honestly, the food is awesome and made with love. Only if I was able to, switch back to C2 on my camera and capture the thing on my side, and only you can know the true beauty in close up. Yeah, but sadly, it is what it is. It's life. It happens. I made a mistake, but surely the food is good. It's not a mistake coming to Birmingham. You want close up? Sorry, not happening. Fight corrupt. Lost it all. To wrap this misery from my side, a disaster, not totally disaster, but I fell in a way, but it's okay to fail, and you learn from that. Yes, I'm learning. First collaboration gone wrong. From my side, my mistake, and I take full responsibility. Maybe I could easily lean to the fact that I bought a new camera. Yeah, everything is new to me in the menu. And the menu, she good. YuniLeisure, a pleasure. Honestly, your food, your cooking and your hospitality, it's sublime. Never change one bit. It's a very strong wind, and back again, back in London, in my city, when I was in Birmingham. And I know it's some strong wind, isn't it? So I apologise for that. Just want to wrap this video here. And
to end things, I just want to say thank you so much to YuniLeisure for inviting me to your place. And Richard, you're such a legend, man. Such a, do you know what I mean? Such a good couple. They work together, and I can only wish and that for myself one day when I find my own partner. You know, we can work things together, and it's really beautiful home, like beautiful food, amazing all around. But sadly, I lost all my files, literally got corrupt, and yeah, it's really sad, isn't it? So my content, it's not just about Indonesia, just to let you know, and I'm a international traveler. I travel to different countries and I tell stories, and if I go to a place and the people treat me so well, of course I have no option but to, you know what I mean, to immerse myself and create more content about that place. And I want more people to go there and to experience the thing I experienced there. So hence why I love Indonesia and I love Asia in particular. Like, you know, the one thing I will say is, like, in Asia, Asian people, they're so open-minded. So that's it. And if you want to go and subscribe to our channel, please feel free, subscribe to our channel. She's such a good, and she's very hardworking, good cook, love her stuff, love what she's doing. If you're Indonesian, you should be proud. So in the next chapter, of course, then I'm going to jump topic. I'm going to create content about London, about other stuff, right? So if you want to see that, then stay tuned. If you want to subscribe to my channel, feel free. I don't like to say it, but of course, if you do it, that will make a massive help. And if you comment as well, it will help YouTube to recommend this channel to more people out there. So that's it. Tata.
Which one the best one? Bakso soup or this soup?
Bakso soup.